Welcome to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In the previous video, we created the beginning of the handle of the reciprocating saw using a cylinder, cutting it in half because all this part of the casting will be mirrored after it's done. We will continue with creating the middle part that holds in place the electronic components, and in the next videos we will merge them together. So how can I start creating this part? Does it really look like a specific geometric body? Well, yes, it could be a box, but I think I can really be able to create this from scratch. So I will use the face. So with the face, I will create individual T-spline faces. I will click here. I will select this plane, and I will create a basic polygon. Voila. Now, I will move it because right now it is on this plane. And while moving it, how much do I need to go? Well, I will go to the right view and I will use it to know that. And as you can see, I need to go 46 millimeters. And I have here my edge. Okay, now what I want to do is to manage to merge this edge with those edges. Well, I have some tools right here. For example, I have the bridge, which is very interesting because the bridge creates segments to connect two opposing faces within a body or between two bodies. And I have the merge edges, which aligns the first set of selected edges to a second set of selected edges. Well, which one is better for this? So merge just merges two faces, while bridge, if I want to connect two faces, creates other new faces between them. Let's use the bridge function. I will select this side as the side 1 and those sides as the side 2. I have a preview here. Now click OK. As you can see, it doesn't look that good. That's because here we have only one face and here we have 4 faces. This face doesn't show any direction where I want to go with this part of the body. So let's go back, and what is a better idea before doing this operation is to create more faces and create more T-splines on this side. So I will go to modify. I will create this. I will make this a little bit smaller. And now what I want to do is to create more T-splines. By pressing the Alt key on the keyboard and moving this, I will create new T-splines. Now, I want to move this one inside. Okay, so it shows that it needs to go like that before welding. And I will use this to modify to go a little bit up and then create some new faces by pressing Alt before moving. Interesting. Let's try again. So bridge. I will create these ones with that one, and with not with the face, with this, and I will click OK. So that's better. But as you can see, I created here with 2 faces this bridge with 1 face. What I can do is to create more faces here and then do the weld. So I will go here to insert edge. I will insert a new edge. And now I can go to bridge, select those two, then select those two. And as you can see, now it's better. I will select this one, and by pressing Alt, I will create some new parts, and hey, it starts taking the shape. So for now, I will just finish the form. I will save. And see you in the next video to continue this.